Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mass find and delete duplicate files from OneDrive. Over time, OneDrive can become filled with duplicate photos, videos, documents, and backup files. These duplicates take up storage space and make it harder to find the files you actually need. So, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to clean up your OneDrive storage and keep everything organized. Let's get started. The method uses the OneDrive interface directly. Start by opening OneDrive on your computer or by visiting the official OneDrive in your web browser. Once OneDrive opens, take a quick look around the layout so you know where everything is. Now, go to the search bar. Here, type words that may help you find duplicate files. For example, you can search for copy, backup, or file types like JPEG or PDF. After searching, OneDrive will display files matching those terms. Next, organize the files by name or by date created. You can do this by clicking the column headers. This helps bring similar files together, making duplicates easier to spot. Once you identify duplicate files, it's time to remove them. Click the checkbox next to the files you want to delete. If you want to select multiple files faster, hold down the Control key while clicking the files. After selecting the duplicates, look for the Delete icon. It usually looks like a small trash bin near the top menu. Click it to move the files to the recycle bin. After that, open the recycle bin and empty it to permanently delete those files and free up storage space. Now, before we finish, here's a quick summary. First, open OneDrive on your computer or browser. Use the search bar to look for duplicate-related terms like copy, backup, JPEG, or PDF. Then, sort the files by name or date to make duplicates easier to find. Select unwanted duplicate files and delete them. Don't forget to empty the recycle bin afterward. For a faster method, you can also use a duplicate file finder tool to scan your OneDrive folder automatically and remove duplicates in bulk. And that's it. That's how to mass find and delete duplicate files from OneDrive using Easy Method. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.